My name is Malene Rex. I am a negotiation advisor and trainer. I'm based in Copenhagen in Denmark, but I work in Europe and the rest of the world as well. I've been in this field for the last 15 years, and I will do both individual sessions with people and workshops with larger groups. Doing the individual sessions will mean looking at a person's challenges within the field of negotiation. We will look at day-to-day problems and both on practical solutions and also the theory behind. I also do workshops and sessions for groups, larger groups, where I will tailor-make some casework, do exercises and feedback, but also talk about general negotiation issues. These sessions and workshops can be anything from a couple of hours to several days, and participant numbers can be, again, from small groups to very large groups.